steppers to the front. Get ready for the show. Hey, it's on. We always number one when she get thumped. They ain't think Greek was coming home.
What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another banger, man. Hold on. What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video, man. Lady JD for me, man. I know I've been going for a while, but I'm back with another video, man. I already got tatted, everything. Then, so, shit, my mama got me out here trying this fat whole burger. I don't know what.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What? But I'm here.
Say what now? Say that again. Say what did y'all have for today? Oh, we got the free sample bacon ranch nachos. They were put on our menu today. Okay, come on. Let's see. They free with the purchase. Let us get that on there so we can get it out. How long y'all been here? Not long. Not long? Not long. Okay, get it. Tell them what your special is today. They've been going viral on TikTok and stuff. Yeah. Good. We finna get it going too, because I've heard nothing but good things at high school about y'all. Get it.
Get what?
We're her telling you what their special is today. Okay, whenever she's ready, get it started. What's the best?
Man, they're crazy with the menu. They got.
Welcome to Middy Day TV.
I already did.
Here we go. Ready?
Alright, here you go.
Are you ready? What? You ready? You finna get it going. You don't be on there. It doesn't matter. No, it don't matter. All y'all can get in it.
Yeah, fat whole burgers, man. Look at that menu, man. Look at that. Yeah, man.
Which one you want to know about?
The super duper fat.
Oh, that super duper? That's a double meat, double cheeseburger. They come with 4 pieces of cheese. Lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, mayo, and mustard of your choice. And then that fat burger, that's a regular cheeseburger. And then that ratchet is a bacon ranch cheeseburger. The feisty is a bacon jalapeno cheeseburger. The fatty is a bacon egg cheeseburger. And then we got some more burgers too. We got the messy hole.
Dang.
Yeah, we got the messy hole. So y'all got the ratchet, nappy-headed hoe burger. That's a fried chicken sandwich. And we got the bone, which is a grilled chicken sandwich. You got a greedy hoe? The greedy hoe, yeah. That greedy hoe is for the people who want to sample a little bit of everything on the menu.
Wait, so what is the ratchet fat hole again?
The ratchet bacon ranch cheeseburger.
Oh.
Hot ass salads.
I'm gonna get the ratchet fat.
She said they have a sample today. She didn't. Yeah, we got sample for the new stuff.
I try it. I'll get. I'm gonna try it. And then for the burger, you said the ratchet one is a bacon ranch cheeseburger. All right. Yeah, I don't no tomatoes and no pickles. Yeah, what? It come with. Alright, no, it come with mayo on there? No. Alright, no. I just want ketchup. No. Yeah. No, you put the ranch, but like a side of ketchup.
Oh yeah, we got ketchup.
Oh, alright, baby.
Yeah, they come with fries.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
What she say y'all were known for? What's the big thing? The fat whole burger?
Man, they just got me right at the fat whole burger. I'm gonna go. Finna see how it's looking, man. If it's nasty, I'm on their ass, on my soul. But what the fuck? If it's nasty, I'm on their ass. But I've been hearing nothing but good things about this place, so.
Okay.
This hoe better turn me up, no cap. Right here. Grand Hole Burgers. They better turn me up, no cap, no cap. I know I need a fade, man. I need a fade, man. I just got that wretched fat hoe.
I don't understand why I did not see this coming. I do not understand why I did not.
I'ma let y'all know. It ain't really no mukbang or nothing like that. But shit, as soon as I take a bite, y'all gonna know from jump start. That motherfucker good, it bustin'. That motherfucker bustin', y'all gonna know. I'm gonna make sure everybody know. That motherfucker bust, I'm coming back. On my life. Shit, that motherfucker come with a drink, fries. Shit. You know I'm gonna go crazy on that wretched hoe.
Wow.
Nah, not your plan. Not your plan. Shit. The hell bad. Y'all come try it. So I'm gonna wait for my food. Then I'm cool and tap right back in. Man, we got our food, man. Let me see what this thing talking about. See what this junk talking about. No cap. I already took 2 bites while I was in the car. Bust. Look at it right there. Hey, so good, my camera dropped. Flies want a piece of my burger too.
Get twisted. Maybe two. Hold the flag.
And try they loaded fries. Eight out of 10. Loaded fries, 8 out of 10. The burger though? Good mother.
But these aren't frozen burgers. But these aren't frozen burgers either. You need to let them know that.
These are dub.
These are like hamburger meat. They make their own patties.
10. Dub 10.
Yeah. You should get credit because they made I'm recording. Okay, what was?
What are you doing right now? Fries decent.
What was the name of the restaurant?
The burger.
What was the
Burger
name of the
busting
place that we
on
just
my
ate at?
soul. Tell them, Trent.
What's the name of it?
You know, tell them they don't know about that ratchet fat hoe.
Nah, they don't know nothing about the rest back home. Oh, bald head ass back home.
Heard from Tread.
They don't know nothing about that. We know exactly where you're gonna get that. As soon as I put this online.
I forgot about the nappy head.
Oh yeah, they can't leave out the nappy
We
head.
know what you're about to tap here.
Oh, and the combos. What's the combos called? Thought box.
One with real live.
The combos are called thought box.
I seen that. I said, well, somebody ever up to date too. Not only in the past, we got an old school and a youngster in here talking shit.
Ten out of 10, man. I'm finna tear this up, I ain't gonna lie. But
What'd you say?
Fat Ho Burgers in Duncan, it's in Dallas.
One skinny lady, one big lady.
Off like Camp Wisdom.
And
Off Camp Wisdom, it's a food truck.
golden chick.
Right, it's right beside Golden Chicken. It's by that new
Pastor
hair
Bailey
depot like parking lot area.
Pastor Bailey and Camp Wisdom.
Go get that. Go get that now. Like, them a bus. I'm finna finish up my food. I'm gonna catch y'all boy later. Oh no. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Tell me what other videos I should drop and stuff. I'm finna eat my food now. I got
Yo, Nick, pass, make it slack.
I've been on the road, I'm gone. Private jet for me and the brosy. Extra Renzo, pick up clothes. I made a fence to hit my hoes up. Down on what I'm on one. It ain't bad right now, it's the long run.